Hey friends, if you encounter this issue where the Intel wireless AC adapter is not working, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolutions. Now I'll stick to two resolutions only. The first one is to update the wireless driver. So search for device manager and open the device manager. Expand the list for network adapter drivers. Right click on the MediaTek one, select update drivers and update it to the latest version. If this works, if it does not work, then open any browser and then search for Intel wireless drivers, and then you can go to the Intel wireless drivers and then go to this exe1. I accept the terms and license and then click on open and let it work. So this is the second option. But if this doesn't work either, then you can go to any website like Amazon or Best Buy or whatever you prefer, or you can go to any store and you'll have to buy a new adapter because it means that the adapter has gone bad. So search for wireless adapter. Now I'll tell you which one to buy. You can buy any one with a shorter clip. Okay, don't buy the longer clip ones, they are cumbersome. You can buy any one of these with a shorter clip. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.